Alright. Hello once again, Log, and it is time to start mining. Not a task I particularly enjoy, but it's for my own good. It's not like there's much else to do here in this place. Just mine the coconut. Alright, mining run's finally completed. However, I noticed something strange while it's mining. Watch this. If I mine iron over here. Note there is a gravitational field. Look at this odd behavior. The way it's drifting isn't even relative to the gravitational field. Suspect something has gone amiss with my gravitational generator causing, looks like back eddy in the rocks. Like dropping a magnet through a copper tube. There's some sort of other force involved. Anyway, just thought that was an interesting thing to point out. But that is not the important thing. Oh, yes. How could I have forgotten? Mining carriage is getting awfully close. I would gank it, but it's gun. Finally, I can begin the search for ice. Now that I'm well into 80% oxygen remaining. She's a beauty. All right. I think next thing I'm going to do is build a mining vessel. I wonder how much more resources I'm going to need for that. Just one little mining vessel. Well, let's see. Small blocks. That stuff requires some nickel. Sorter. Interesting. Oxygen tank. Well, let's see. What will we be needing? Battery pack. Not gonna put any reactors on this thing. Requires more nickel, of course. Let's see, what can we build? Well, we can build the cockpit. I can build that. 50 blocks. And then need a couple small tubes. Let's see what else. Battery. Drills. Thrusters. There's the hardware. There. Thrusters. Oh, connected for sure. At least 20. We're at least gonna need enough to start anything here. Little oxygen tank. Well, I'm gonna wait for that stuff to finish constructing and be back to you guys in the morning. Alright, it is time to start building the mining rig, so I'm just going to build up a few blocks, place that cockpit, and start from there. Obviously that leg that it's sitting on right now will be gone. Really need this oxygen. No motors. It's fine. Oxygen tank. Stuff is necessary now. Now that I'm in the depths of space. Alright, well. Looks good. Also gonna want a battery. Should have made enough components for all of this. Then there's something I wanted to see. And know what I forgot to build? Gyroscopes. Gonna only need 1 or 2, but 1 or 2 is a lot. Okay, small ship stuff. Build me 2 gyroscopes. Alright, well, log. I will be back when the ship is a little bit more complete. And here it is. My very own creation. Sort of. Might have found a few blueprints on the ship's computer. Yeah, actually that's exactly what I did. I have almost no capability of designing ships on my own. Interior plates. Oh, bane of my existence, interior plates. This is it. The cockpit doesn't really work yet. Wired it up to have a oxygen input. Not sure if that's gonna work out for me. Oh no, no, no. Alright, and oh, alright. I've gotten the ship finished. Preparing to charge up the battery for the first time. Leaving helmet on inside craft. No oxygen yet. Charging that up. Also, we have a oxygen tank in here. Going to stockpile. Keeping this thing filled up is going to be more of a huge challenge, especially considering that now no more easy oxygen production or oxygen refueling. We've got a whole ship that has its own supply of oxygen that needs refilling, and that calls for one ingredient and one ingredient only: liquid dihydrogen monoxide for electrolyzation. Now, there was one thing that I needed here. There we go. Should be over here. There. Now all I need to do is conveyor this puppy up. Didn't even have to take off my helmet. Alright. So, lights. In here is where I've placed a ore detector. It'll be used for, you guessed it, scanning for ores. Now all I need to do is route the conveyor tubing. Shouldn't be too hard. But that is this log entry.